Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to show you my favorite Hampton style home in Brisbane, Australia. Please come. This is the entrance for the garage which can fit in easily 2 cars, and then the entrance for the main door. I have a remote access to open the garage, otherwise I can even open from the mobile. So this is the front yard where you can sit and relax with your family and friends. You also have a bench to sit there, or you can directly sit in the grass. And full home is controlled by CCTV, so you can see whatever is happening 24/7. You also get notifications in the mobile, so no need to worry about any problem. Please come. So this is the entrance door. This is where the first thing is the doorbell. The moment I click this door or somebody clicks at the doorbell, it's a video one. So the automatic notification will trigger to your mobile and the iPad, and that can be controlled with all the Google devices across the home. It's time now to get inside the home. Please come. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the office or the study room. You can just open the doors like this, and this is where we can actually work. It's sufficient space to work, and it can fit in easily 3 to 4 laptops. And everything in this room is controlled by remotes. So here I have a remote for curtain, so I can just do this, and you can see the remote access being controlled for the curtains. It can come down or up, and it's the same style and concept in a complete home. And now let's get out of this room, and now I'm going to show you the living room, which is not for family or friends, maybe for the outsiders or maybe for the office colleagues. It's huge enough, it can easily fit in 10 people, and we can make use of this room whenever required. But again, like I said, not for family and friends maybe. So now let's go and explore the other areas of the home. This is the kitchen area, and this is called as island kitchen. The concept is called as island kitchen, and if you see here, it's an inbuilt dishwasher, and the surprising thing is it's also an inbuilt fridge. It's so good. Yeah, and then this is the normal storage units and all, and there's a chimney which is automatic. And now we have a biryani ready for night, prepared by my brother. It's so yummy. We are still waiting for so many people to come. After that, probably we'll start. And then this is the bar unit, and these are all the cabinets. So we have the microwave and the oven. Everything is inbuilt, and we also have a lot of LED system here for decorating, or maybe for the ambience purpose. And for a quick breakfast, if somebody wants to have, readily available, we can make use of these things. And then the actual dining place. This looks so good. If you see the color and the taste of ambience, it's really good. So easily it can fit in, again, 10 people. Currently we have 8 chairs, but then it can easily fit in close to 8 or 10 people. So this is how it looks. So we are done with kitchen and dining, and now this is the ample space for your living. You can literally play cricket also, or even dance, or whatever you want to do it. And let's go to the actual living room, which is for the family and friends. So we have the 99-inch TV here, which is huge, so you can literally enjoy and chill around. And it's all relaxing here, so no problem at all. So it's an ample space for the people to make use of every situation. You also have access to go out here. You can go from here, curtains, but still I will show you the other way, which is very common for us to use. We are used to go outside with the another door. So please come here. And there's also seating for 2 people if they want to chill around. And then this is the space for the outdoor unit, and we have a fountain area here. And then this place is called the patio. One more, probably I cannot say living room, but maybe for the evening parties or the barbecue or for any gatherings, we can make use of this particular space. This is called patio, and you can go to any room from this. You have access to all the rooms or the living rooms directly from here. And this is the shed area, basically whatever the garden shed it's called. So if there is any items for the garden purpose, you can probably keep it inside, and then that's it. So this is also a good place to really hang around. Especially this is my favorite place when it comes to drink and barbecue. I think it's time to go inside. Okay, so now it's time to see the other rooms. Ideally, of course, the bedrooms and the kids' room and the guest rooms. Please come. So this door is called the barn door, basically a partition between living room and the bedrooms for the privacy. It's very smooth and convenient. It's just slidable. And then please come inside. Let's go to the master bedroom first. And master bedroom is also huge. You can see the area here. And you can also access the patio or the outdoor lawn from here too. And then we have the bathroom, which is also very good because all the accessories are luxury made, and you can make use of these things shades. You can also open if you want. And then you have the lights here. You can control whatever the light you want, and you have both hot and cold. This is a private shower. And then let's go to the other area, which is also interesting, especially for ladies, because this is called as the walk-in wardrobe. You can just come here. You have all the closet area here, and you can make use of the full room. This is how it looks. And let's go to the other room. This is a kid's bedroom. Please come. She is my cousin Mahi. Say hi. And this is her room. Basically, it's a kid's room. There's also ample space, and good thing you can probably show here. Come this side and see what and all she did, what and all she uses. There's something also here. I think it's her friends. Okay. Yeah, good thing. Bye bye. And then we have another guest bedroom 1. This is also ample space. Please come. Yeah, you can see 2 people can easily fit in here. Everything is being ventilated, and it's really good themes and all. And then let's go to another rooms. Yeah, now here we have the common bathroom, and then we have the common facility. You have 2 sinks here. We have a bathtub, and you also have a private shower area. Again, all the accessories are luxury made, premium made. It's very good and very costly. Yeah, then this is how the common thing looks. Now here we have the AC control. You can see here I can control the full home with this thing. You also have a zones, like you want for master bedroom, living, or guest room 1, bedroom 1, and you can play around basically. So you can control. And then this is called as linen closet, basically used for all the blankets, clothes and all. And then we have another guest bedroom, which is similar to the other one which I have just showed. Please come. And then we have the pantry and the laundry room. Here you have the dryer, you have the washing machine, or maybe it's vice versa. So you have pantry area, and you can make use of this room, and enough cabinet space to keep all your items. So this is also good enough, very small, but then I think it's sufficient. And then let's go back. Now this is the exit to the garage. So go out to. This is the shoe rack and other cabinet areas for your other stuff to keep it. And then easily 2 cars can fit in. This is the ADT, which is for the alarm and all the security related stuff. And you also have a remote here for the garage control. Otherwise you can make use of the mobile. And like I said, easily 2 cars can fit in. Sorry, I forgot to say there's a fridge here. I don't understand why, but in Brisbane everybody have 2 fridges, one in the garage and one AC also in the garage. I don't know why, but it is there. I'm not sure why it is the reason, but then it is there. And then yeah, like I said, 2 cars can easily fit in. Please come. So, and yeah, 2 big cars actually, it's not small ones. You can basically get inside the home even from garage or from the main entrance door. Most of the time we make use of garage, and yeah, it's very good. And not just 2, even outside easily 4 cars can fit in very much easily.